June 6, 2020. We've got a lot of rain today. Tropical depression, whatever its name is. These look like little orchids, don't they? This is ginger, and I think this is my Galangal ginger, my spicy Thai ginger, and it's got all these buds on it. I don't know if all the rain did it or not, but yeah, they're sitting in water right now. I saw this one over here first. I saw this one and I thought, oh wow, my other plant's even bigger, and I looked at it over there, and then I went over and saw that, yeah, there's a whole bunch of buds on that. So yeah, ginger blooms. Doesn't just grow from the roots. Wow, check out all these peppers. I have got a load of peppers. Saw a few fall on the ground the other day. These are all ripe too. These are all like perfect right now. I need to pick a whole bunch of these, send some of them to my brother-in-law, Carlos. I never did find out what he did with the last batch I sent him. Oh man, these are some big ones. Ooh. Look at the little thorns on that thing, little spikes on there. It's got a little pointy tail on that one. They're like snowflakes. Everyone's the same. No, everyone's very different. I mean, they're similar, but man, look at the color of those. Nothing's been biting these in a while. Whoa, oh, there's a bug on that one. Oh, you know. Yeah, there's a little. See, you get these little spiders and stuff that live up in there. So you gotta dip them in some soapy water and maybe some vinegar and spray them off really good. But man, this thing's loaded too. It's just, can't even see them through all the, wow, a lot of leaves falling off of that. It's got a lot of rain, like 4 inches of rain last couple days. What do you think, Pina? It's starting to rain. Let's go inside. Oh yeah, I got a big shoot over here. This, my probably, yeah, largest transplant. It started out the smallest. I've been watering this one a little bit over here with the hose. This one not so much, but with all the rain the last few days, check that out. It's already like a foot tall. I swear I looked over there just the other day, I didn't see any. I've been watching this side pretty close. I haven't seen anything over here yet either. And, oh, my sunflowers. That one's getting full. I mean, that one's all pollinated and it's about done. And this one hasn't opened. A few of these other haven't opened. This one's getting even bigger. Head's not even close to opening up. But it should get really big now with all this rain. And my fire pit over there, I planted some more lemongrass and some ground cover, tried to get that going. A couple more sunflowers here. There. Try to get that other one over and back. Yeah, that's the most sunflowers I ever had at one time before, I think. Very happy. All right, cut.